The following is a civil emergency message. Official status: you are fucked. We've been watching you misbehave like a piece of shit, and honestly, we're tired of looking at you. Congratulations, you've officially been kicked out of this godforsaken reality. You are now out of this world, and nitrogen monoxide one is coming to save your sorry ass. By the way, stop waiting by the window. Your dad didn't just go out for the fucking milky saw. What? A disappointment you were, and ran for his goddamn life. He's never coming back. There is no help there. Is no help side exit. Prepare yourself. See you in hell, you worthless bastard.